Meaning of frontage.
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 Frontage. Frontage refers to the extent of a property that is adjacent to a public street, road, or waterway. It is typically measured in linear feet or meters. The frontage of a property can impact its value and potential uses, as it affects access and visibility. For example, a commercial property with a large frontage on a busy street may be more desirable for a retail business than a property with a small frontage on a quiet residential street. In summary, frontage refers to the portion of a property that faces and has access to a public thoroughfare.